Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at some of the bundles that are now available. Starting off, we're taking a look at the folks at FlipNumos as they've just released a new FlipBox, and this is the complete environment artist FlipBox, which is available for anyone that is thinking about learning how to create environments. This comes with a good number of masterclasses that has to do with anime, realistic, and stylized scene creation. And this is across different tools that include Substance Painter, Blender, and Unreal Engine. So whether you're thinking about getting started with an anime scene, or maybe you're thinking about how you can get started with creating realistic looking interiors or environments, then you can simply come through and explore this bundle. This entire bundle is going for $30, and this is going to be available from now till July the 15th of 2026. So if you like to grab all 15 tutorials that are right here, then of course you can simply come through and check them out, as they're beginner friendly and offers a good number of tips and tricks that you would need if you're thinking about creating any of these things that are right here. And speaking about things that you can use to create stuff, there is a new add-on that I think it is worth giving a shout out to. And this is from the folks at RenderCraft Studio. They've created this tool called Forge, and Forge is a tool that offers you CAD precision modeling in Blender. It is quite interesting how this one actually works. So if you've been thinking about creating CAD related designs in Blender, then of course you can actually go ahead and take a look at this. We're currently working on a video for this one, so just in case you like to see it before you purchase, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss it when the video comes up. So with this tool, you can actually start doing some nice modeling. It comes with some parametric tools that you can work with and has a ton of cool features that includes boolean, filleting and chamfering, splitting, trimming, lofting, sweeping, revolving, piping, mirroring, and it also has an auto retopology tool as well. So it is a huge deal, and I would definitely recommend that if you're into CAD, then you should go ahead and check this one out. At the same time, we'll also mention the few other add-ons as well, and one of them is currently doing a 15% off just in case you like to pick it up. Then we've got the dynamic grabber. We made a video about this one, so just in case you like to see it, I'm going to link that one in the description. Then we've also got this bundle that we talked about last time. Now, this bundle is no longer available right here on Superhive. However, it is still available right here on Humble Bundle. So for those who did miss out on this one and possibly like to grab it, then this is a very good opportunity for you to come through and grab this one, as this comes with a ton of Blender add-ons and also resources that you can work with. So whether you're thinking about base meshes, or you're looking for rig characters, rig tools, or maybe you're looking for hair tools like Strand Kit, then by every chance come through and see this. This is currently going for about 26.71 to 31.71 pounds against 927 pounds. So it is a good and a huge deal for anyone that would like to grab it. And speaking about deals, there are new deals that are now available, which includes the premium sci-fi design, and this is a training bundle for anyone that's thinking about creating sci-fi looking environment and also assets. So from concepting in ZBrush all the way to creating futuristic character designs, down to making some amazing looking concept art and futuristic visuals, these are definitely going to come in very handy if you're into cinematic stuff, or maybe you like to hone your skill when it has to do with cinematic design and concept character creation. This entire bundle comes with 16 items, and by default this should be sold at £870.83, but because this is Humble Bundle, this is going for £22.41. And we've also got some nice ones as well, which includes the game development bundle, and we did mention this one the last time. This comes with a lot of tutorials for Unreal Engine users, Unity users, Blender users. You've got your own stuff right here. Godot users, there's also some cool stuff right here. If you're thinking about building iOS games with Sprite Kit, this is also available, and there's just a good number of tutorials that are right here. So for those who like to get this as well, this comes with 13 items. It is currently going for 16.10. This is a steal, and by default this should be 2,422. So it's a massive steal for anyone that would like to grab it. For those who are into world building, there's a brand new world building Americana bundle that is now here, and this comes with a lot of assets as well. So if you would like to grab any of this asset, the high quality asset of Unreal Engine, and they're from the folks at Decagon Studio. And this comes with a huge number of things. All 87 items in this bundle are currently going for 27.20, but if you choose to purchase this one after the other, you will be spending a massive amount, about 3,241 £8 is what you'll be spending. So think about the differences. This is a massive steal. So if you work with Unreal Engine or Unity, possibly you're looking for assets of high quality, you're looking for environments that you can work with, then you can simply come through and check these ones out. They've got some suburban stuff in here. They've got some shopping stuff in here as well. We've got some abandoned service garage. There are tons of decals that you can work with. And this list just simply goes on and on. So if you're into stuff like this, then you might want to consider checking it out. And while we talk about things that you might want to check out, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other bundles that they have here. Previously, we did mention that the folks at Machine Gun, that they did work on the bigger, better bundle. That bundle is still here. So this comes with 12,000 plus assets for anyone that's into environment. And this is making its first appearance on Humble Bundle. And by default, this is definitely going to be costing you about £5,913. But Humble Bundle is offering all 63 items for about £16.46. So it is a huge deal as well. Then we've got some other ones that has to do with, the all-in-one Unreal and Unity game development bundle. We did mention this previously too, so for those who did miss out on that one, this is also a huge asset bundle as well that comes with nice environment and assets that you can work with. So if you're looking for weapon effects, or maybe you're looking for fireworks, or potentially you're looking for explosive stuff like VFX gas explosion stuff, then they've got a good number of that as well. They've also got some ground explosive VFX stuff as well, portal VFX enhanced, and so on and so forth. So if you like to grab any of these ones, possibly you're into effect materials, or maybe you're into scene or world building, then all these bundles that are now available right here will be super cool. If you're thinking about getting started with learning Unity, then there is a bundle right here. For those who are into environment, there is even more bundles right here which you can come through and grab. I'm simply going to put a link that will bring you right here where you'll be able to see all of this. One thing that we slightly missed out earlier when we were talking about all of this is the Clip Studio Creativity Collection. And the Clip Studio Creativity Collection always makes a comeback, and right now they've made a new comeback, and this has to do with the paint, draw, and animate. So this is coming with Clip Studio Pro version 5.0, and it's offering creators a 12-month license. So if you work with Clip Studio Paint, maybe you are looking for a bundle that will offer you so much brushes and so much models that you can work with, then this is right here. Additionally, this is also coming with the Moho Debut 12.5. And the Moho Debut 12.5 is a pretty cool tool for those who are into animation, or possibly you're thinking about getting started with 2D animation. This would definitely come in handy for you. So this is it for those who like to take a look at any of these ones that I've mentioned. Links to all of this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.